Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Selviana, but you can call me Selvi. I'm from Mara. I'm in this department, and my rec number is 417006. Okay, immediately we enter the material of binding. Okay, the nation of co-indexation, conference, and antecedents are actually quite general ones. They hold no matter what structural position an NP is in the sentence. It turns out, however, that the relation between an antecedent and a pronoun or anaphor must be particular structural relation. Okay, we can attention about sentence A, B, and C. In particular, notice the pattern of indexes on 12B and 12C. This sentence shows that while the word herself can refer to the whole subject NP, Heidi's mother. It can refer to an NP embedded inside the subject NP, such as Heidi, similar fact and seen in 13. You can attention about sentence A, B. Okay, look at the trees for 12A and B shown in 14A and B below, and you will notice a significant difference in terms of the position where the NP immediately dominating Heidi is placed. Okay, next, in 14A, the circle NP comments the NP dominating herself, but in 14B, it does not. It appears that the crucial relationship between an anaphor and its antecedents involves C command. So, in describing the relationship between an anaphor and an antecedent, we need a more specific notion than simple co-indexation. This is binding. Okay, the next, binding is a kind of condensation. It is condensation that happens when one of the two NPs comments the other. Notice that condensation alone does not constitute binding. Binding requires both indexation and C command. Now we can make the following generalization, which is explain the ungrammatically of sentence 16A and 16B. Okay, it's neither of the sentence. It's the anaphor bound. In other words, it is not C command by the NP. It is co-indexed with. This generalization is called binding principle A. Principle A determines the distribution of anaphors. You can see number 17. Okay, remember bound means coincides with an NP that C commands it. If you look at the tree in 14B, you will see that the anaphor herself and the NP Heidi are co-indexed, however they are not bound, since NP Heidi does not C command NP herself. The same is true in the 3 for 16a showing 18. Okay, you can see that. Okay, the last, even though the two NPS are coindex, they do not form a binding relation. Since the antecedents doesn't comment the anapor, you make think that these are in a binding relation. Since the anapor comments the antecedents, but notice that this is not the way binding is defined. Binding is not a symmetric relationship. The binder or antecedents must do the secomending of the bindi on a per or pronoun, not she refers. Okay, I think that's all my presentation about binding. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.